I hate this. All right, here we go. I hate climbing in the wind. Should probably get the branch out from under me first. Just probably gonna get in the way.
Yeah.
Fuck, there's nowhere to throw any of this.
Space to speed line into the back.
What's up?
Is there space to speed line into the back?
I can throw it in the green belt. Just taking a couple off this. I'm doing some dead trees with the lift. Off switch doesn't work.
Yeah, both of those saws the off switch broke.
It worked last time. Or at least the one I used did. I'm using a knockoff, a V Modest Echo 2511T knockoff. Straight out of China. It's close to a regular Echo. I haven't noticed much difference. At this point, I might as well just change my YouTube from regular tree work to just trying every different Chinese saw, or saw for that matter. Little headache. I threw it out of your way. Oh, I didn't know where you were at. And there's the dead tree we got to take out. Hopefully I'll get high enough up in this thing, swing over, lower the top, maybe speed line it. We don't have, as you can see, a ton of room to work here. This tree is like 2 feet away from the house. Pretty much no room to work here. This tree's green, but it does not feel that healthy.
Pretty wobbly.
My spikes are going in further than usual. Thankfully this one's not blowing in the wind. The rest of these trees are blowing pretty good. What's up?
Said hop in the big boy.
No, that's all right. This one's not moving as much as that one is. I'm also trying out this new notch catalyst harness. I like it so far. I came from the Notch Sentinel, so it's pretty close. Everything I cut has to be placed perfectly. Not my favorite. Now this is the main one that's got to go. Just deciding if I want to try and speed line it out or lower it. I might do a mixture of both. This tree was either topped or it broke out in the past. That's where the old top was. That's why this branch is so big. Thank you, cedar. What do I do? What do you think, Colby?
Speed line it off the big guy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, if I'm gonna tie this rope up and then run it out and see what kind of angle you got on it. You might have to bring it around this side of that dead one.
Yeah, I'll try to make a clean line with you.
He's just gonna have to tug on this thing really hard, so I don't want it in this little ass tree. Got a speed line sling in here somewhere. That's toilet paper. There it is. There we go. I love having my little goodie bag. I keep all sorts of nice things in there. Get this thing out as far as possible. Oh yeah, even this little thing's moving now. I don't like this. This is the worst part of tree work. Those gusts. Just gotta think these trees have been here for so long, but any of them can break. Colby couldn't pull the speed line through all that brush down there, so I'm gonna pull the whole bag up and throw it out there. Hopefully not hitting the side of the house. I just hate waiting up here. When I'm not moving, I can feel every little blow and gust. If I'm moving, it's not so bad because I don't think about it or feel it, but okay, coming out. Whew. Hang on to it for, or hang on a sec. I'm gonna throw this around the tree. Didn't hit the corner of the house. That's great because this roof does not look very strong. You might want to go like all the way back to one of those trees and wrap it, because it's pretty fat. Nice. I'm gonna cut this nub off. All right, so now I'm gonna go up this, tie in, swing over there, and hopefully figure out a plan for that thing. Decent tie-in around the trunk and got a couple branches below it. Then we'll run over to that tree and figure something out for it. Still making sure these bridge knots are tight. I haven't really sat on this harness yet. Just literally pulled it out of the box, threw all my stuff on it, and said, let's go. Rocking new everything today. Here we go. See how shitty this thing feels. It's not terrible, I guess. Not the best at that, obviously. We should have brought the speedline straps with us, but we only have one, so I'm gonna just rail slide this thing. You'll see. Might have to jiggle that up and down, Colby. Might have to jiggle that up and down. It's a little stuck. Yeah. Hold it right there. Okay. It's too big right now to speed line. Yeah. I mean, it'd probably be fine, but see if this strap will fit. Oh yeah. Yeah? Yeah. This is a poopy swing if it does happen. All right, let me put a face cut in it. All right, get that thing super tight, but still be able to drop it, you know? Yeah. I hate this. All right, here we go. Good. Well, that's that. A couple pieces out so my rope angle's not so flat. Go for it. I see. The saw's nice and light and maneuverable, but it sucks for wood. Oh yeah, it's terrible. No dogs, tiny motor. My husky would eat this whole tree. You want it? I might switch after this dog leg. It's gonna be hard to get a saw through all that though. I might just run its tank out.
2 hours later.
Now we're cooking with gas. You guys will probably ask why I didn't take a big saw. I have to throw all these pieces and I can finish this entire tree with my husky saw. So that's why. And I like to have one hand on the piece, and then with a big saw it just kind of makes it unsafe. That's getting dicey. Hopefully the next one I'll shoot through this little hole here.
Perfect.
Okay. I'm gonna cut this cedar branch. You're good though. That was really spring loaded. Headache.
Go.
Headache.
Clear.
Okay.